In this video, we'll visit the Sonnen Berg Mountain View lookout, then head to a province tourists have never visited, reached by a single narrow mountain road, and will somehow manage to sink our drone in the river's current.
Where?
There!
At 4 a.m., we headed to a viewing platform located on a mountain ridge. The entrance cost $2 per person, and that already includes coffee and a light snack. Sonnen Berg Mountain View is a lookout point situated at an elevation of 813 meters above sea level. At times, you can see the clouds from here, spread out like a blanket covering the mountains. The organizers of this spot placed a blue boat right on the hilltop, enticing visitors to load up their devices with new selfie shots. They also built small wooden gazebos. And here's a durian, by the way. Then we set out to explore the surroundings and drove into a sparsely populated province high up in the mountain. There's a unique pleasure in country roads. Every breath fills your lungs with pure mountain air.
Baby, be careful!
Yeah, I know.
Because it hurts like
I know,
this.
it's hard.
Oh, stop! Stop! Stop, baby! Oh. What are you
Why?
doing?
What happened?
Because this bug in my stomach, it hurts. It's like this, but it hurts.
Yeah, I love this place.
I remember this place.
A single narrow clay trail through the mountains leads to this province. On rainy days, even with an off-road bike, getting here is quite a challenge. The province is home to only a few dozen people, so the arrival of a foreigner naturally piques the locals' curiosity.
Hello? Hello? We need to buy gas, but I'm not sure, so we can do it here. Oh,
I launched the drone to fly around and survey the area. The sound of its propellers caught the locals' attention, and they came out to see what was happening.
Ôi, phần đam mê sa khẩn nó mà phồng ấy lâu mà tiền cay,
Wow.
mong ayam ho. Sedih. Adi lingilingan ko ba kaya? Mawat lawat pas makirong.
Hello po, may buntag.
hello.
Ang
You live in a very beautiful place.
at mama.
Tiba-tiba
Kami magputos din na ini.
mas kabiukat ka tanong, kakaangay no, alaw may. Taga-asa po mo, ma'am.
Dira sa sa Lacson.
They were curious about where we had come from and whether I knew the local Bisaya language.
Bisaya.
Gamay lang.
Sige, sige. Kamusta ka sa tanan?
I especially enjoyed the bright emotions and reactions of the children.
Bye-bye.
Bisame!
Then our journey led us to the third thrilling location, a place where events took an unexpected turn. But more on that a little later.
Yeah, here you can sit.
No!
Why?
Just walk. I'm scared.
100, 99, 98, 97, 74, 38, 37, 36, 35, 3.
Baby, help!
Why you so lazy? Huh? Why you lazy?
Wow!
On the way, we decided to sit on the mountainside, and on the horizon, I saw a carabao. It was clearly confused, not understanding what the white thing hovering above it was. The road wasn't safe, and the van that had fallen straight into the drainage ditch reminded us of that.
Oh. It's hard.
Yeah. Be careful. And this, what is it?
I don't know this.
We arrived at a stream, where refreshing water flows among the rocks and greenery. But we weren't planning to swim. The narrow tunnel ahead adds a sense of mystery, as if the river is leading us into the unexplored corners of a secret mini canyon. Suddenly, the drone began rapidly descending for no apparent reason and didn't respond to the joystick. The river was cool and fast flowing, so I had to sprint down the rocks to try to reach it, but the current had already carried it further away.
Where?
I didn't want to accept its loss, but I knew the chances were zero.
You know? Can you ask? Maybe they see. Can you tell them? Can you ask? Go there. I cannot go. No, just ask them. Maybe they know. Just ask. You're already there.
Exhausted and hopeless, I stared at the riverbed. A couple of minutes later, I spotted something white. The current had partially buried it in the sand, so it hadn't drifted away.
Oh, just now.
It wasn't waterproof, but I still removed the battery to avoid accidentally pressing the power button. I also forgot to take the smart key out of my pocket, so the key didn't work. We'll head back after I dried it. I placed it in a bag of rice and then dried it with a hairdryer for a couple more hours. Surprisingly, the next day it started up and we continued our journey, heading deeper into the mountain. The first shots of the drone actually looked pretty good.
It's also nice to use, but they're more better.
In the Philippines, it's convenient that you don't have to worry about fuel even if there are no gas stations. You can buy a couple of bottles of flammable Coke at almost any small bamboo shop.
We stick together, but I know, it isn't for the better. No, that's just how we dance.
The road was occasionally very rough, making it a real test for this road bike. But the beauty around definitely made up for all the bumps and discomfort.
Pack my bags and leave without you and be out there on my own. Then I would fall into pieces, fall into pieces. I would fall into pieces, fall into pieces. I would fall into pieces, fall into pieces. So here we go again, with silly arguments that always end up in a fight.
I want to live like near this, you know.
Never end, we just make up a little sign. We stick together.
I wasn't sure if motorcycles could cross this structure, but I decided to take the risk.
No, we cannot,
Why?
because it's not very...
See, it's like,
No, it's not for bike.
see, it's wheel for bike.
The only thing missing for complete misfortune was to soak the bike too. But everything was fine, and we continued on our way.
Feels like the first time. Feels like I've never I'm down tonight, but there's just one thing I need to wrap my head around. Yeah, I don't know.
Along the way, I was learning the local language.
That yon. Yong.
Yo. My yo.
Wow.
No.
Oh, swimming pool.
Until we're in the ground. The thing that both of us talk about when we're almost together. Yes, it is our first kiss. Can't wait forever for you to take your time. I can't.
It was tempting to stop every few hundred meters to capture everything around.
Our first kiss. Not gonna.
We got nowhere to be.
And finally, we reached the mountains. They are so beautiful.
The world outside can't wait a few. 'Cause right now we got nothing else to do. The sun is peeking through the cotton white blinds. Your hands still tangled up in mine. Feet on the wall, your head on me, floating easy. We got nowhere to be. Got nowhere to be. Your hair's a mess, but you don't mind. You just laugh, let it fall where it lies.